Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I finally decided to upgrade. I finally got something for me, for streaming, that I think I've needed for a while because of just the kind of FPS games I play. You know, very high frame rates, need more captures, FPS. I've finally got myself a 4K 60 Pro. I've been looking at these for a while, I'm like, I don't need it. Now if I could open it, that would be sick. But I finally cracked. I needed to get one of these. They finally made it so much cheaper. It's only $250 now. I got it for $220 at Micro Center. $220 for a 4K capture card that also captures, but that's not even what I'm here for. I don't even have 4K screens or anything. I'm not here for the 4K capture because I don't use 4K 60. I don't game in 4K 60. I don't record at 4K. You know, I record 4K here, but I don't record 4K anywhere else. But what I actually need it for is that sweet 240 FPS recording at 1080p. Now I don't have a 240 Hz monitor, but that allows me to count this as a 144 Hz monitor, meaning that I can duplicate my display without having any issues. Now half of you have no clue what I'm talking about, which is absolutely fine. But basically, it just allows me to stream better. And mine's kind of used. Mine's a little messy sometimes. So basically, I'm just going to uninstall it, and guys, I don't know, some of you might like this video. That's fine, I thought I'd just record it anyway. Let's see here. This is the Thermaltake Tower 900, by the way. And I haven't been in it in a while to change stuff out. See, you can see how far we've come. That a 4K capture card is the same size as a 1080p one. But I mean, just look at the back. This is the 4K, obviously. This is 1080p. And also, this uses a PCIe 4X. This uses PCIe 1X. I actually have to switch out because I was using a... Shoot. I was using a 1X slot in there anyway, so I actually have to switch that out. I might... Could I move the graphics card? Yeah, I'm gonna move the graphics card over a few slots. So you guys are gonna get a whole lot of stuff in this video. Where's my screwdriver? I don't know. I just thought it'd be interesting to show you guys the process. I do like this case, just because of how easy it is to get in it and uninstall stuff. It's weird. The motherboard is sideways, you couldn't tell, and the graphics card is facing up. I have a special graphics card coming. By the time this is up, it'll probably be here. I have a special graphics card coming that I'm just so excited to use. You guys will like the video. Let's see. So you can tell, the reason I moved my graphics card is because it was covering up my 4X slot. Now I could use a 16X slot and just only use 4 of the X's, I guess. 4 of the PCIe lanes, but honestly, why not? It's so much easier to move over the card. And just like that, our 4K 60 is installed. Let's go the extra mile and do the cabling. Now I do use a triple splitter so I can set which input I want to use. Set that. It's my graphics card plugged in. And where is it? Plug that into the in slot. don't think this Xbox One cable is going to work anymore. Now it should just be plug and play because I already have the Elgato software installed, but let's find out. Well, not in the video. Let's not put my case on. I was going to put like the lid on and stuff, but honestly that should be all good to go. Let's turn it on, see if it still works actually. Sometimes I'm going to install a PCIe card. If it doesn't like it, it might just not turn on. But as you can see, we don't have like RGB RAM. This is my business PC. This is all it does business. It's got an R9 Fury X. It's got an Elgato. It's got a gigabit Ethernet card with 4 ports, and its motherboard has one as well. I have them all plugged in. Not all of them to the router, but soon I will. Just in case. It's a streaming PC. It's got to stay connected to the internet. Okay, PC still works. I will be streaming with this on the night of making this video, but also you know, every night with it from now on. But that's the point. I thought I'd just kind of do the video of upgrading this. I might use this as well. I think my friend wants to buy it for me. I might just sell it to him for 60 bucks or 70 bucks because, you know, it goes for 200. Or at least on Micro Center it does. But other places you see it, you know, you're looking at 150 bucks for this. I might just sell them half price, 75 bucks. I don't know. But I also might use this as a second capture to capture maybe 2 PCs at once. Triple PC setup. Who knows? Stay tuned. If we want me to do a triple PC setup, tell me. Because I am... That's such a good... Yo, I just came up with an idea. I'm going to use it on video. 2 PCs. I won't remember this is my idea. 2 PCs, 2 Elgatos. Split screen. So you can have a LAN party and record it. That's genius. That's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys kind of like this, you know, impromptu doing this video. I know the quality sucks because of this stupid microphone that I don't have lavaliers yet. But I will soon. I got a big surprise on camera. That's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.